Hi, welcome to Parnika Maths. Today we are going to discuss exercise 6.1 fourth problem. Up to 6th one we have already done in the fourth problem. No? From 7th one we will do in this video. See the question, which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. In the same method already we have done 6 problems. No? What we have to do first? We have to find the D value, A2 minus A1 and A3 minus A2. If they are equal, then they are in AP. Then we have to find the next 3 more terms. What is the first step we have to do? Take these terms as A1, A2, A3, A4. First what we have to find? D equals to A2 minus A1. What is the A2 value? Minus 4 minus A1, 0. That equals to how much? Minus 4. Now find A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2. What is A3 value? Minus 8 minus A2 value. Minus 4. That equals to how much? Minus 8 minus into minus plus 4. 8 minus different symbols. Now what we have to do? We have to subtract it. 8 minus 4 how much? 4. Bigger number symbol what? Minus. So minus 4. What we got? Both the values equal. So what we can say? Since A2 minus A1 equals to A3 minus A2, therefore it is an arithmetic progression. If it is an arithmetic progression, then what is the D value? What we have found? D equals to minus 4. Up to where they have given A4. Next is what? A5. How to find A5? A5 equals to A4 plus D. Already we know this formula. What is the A4 value? Minus 12. Minus 12 minus 4. How much ma? Minus 16. Next, A6 value. A6 equals to A5 plus D. That equals to minus 16 minus 4. How much ma? Minus 20. A7 equals to A6 plus D. That equals to minus 20 minus 4. That equals to minus 24. That's all. Problem is completed. Shall we go to next problem? See the question. What is the 8th one question? Minus 1 by 2, comma minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, and so on. See how we will take A1, A2, A3, A4. Next, what is our first step? D. Find the D value. A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. What is A2? Minus 1 by 2. Minus A1 value. Minus into minus again. Plus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. How much more? 0. A3 minus A2. Again find this. A3 value how much? Minus 1 by 2. Minus A2. Again minus into minus plus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. How much? 0. Both are equal, no? Therefore, what is the D value? D equals to 0. Therefore, it is an arithmetic progression. Then what we have to do, after finding it, what we have to do? We have to write the next 3 terms, no? What is A5? A5 equals to what? A4 plus D. Already what is the D value? 0. So what is A4? Minus 1 by 2 plus 0 means how much? Minus 1 by 2. Is it necessary to do A6 and A7? No, we can write directly. What is A6 value? All are minus 1 by 2, no? Then A6 value also how much? Minus 1 by 2. And A7 value also minus 1 by 2. That's all. Problem is completed. Easy, no? Did you understand? Shall we go to next one? See the question. 9th one. What is the question? 1, 3, 9, 27, and so on. This is a given series. First, what we have to do? Write A1, A2, A3, A4. First find D. a2 minus a1. What is a2 value? 3. 3 minus 1 how much? 2. Now find a3 minus a2. a3 value how much? 9. Minus a2 value 3. 9 minus 3 how much ma? 6. Is they all equal? Since a2 minus a1 is not equals to a3 minus a2, therefore what we can say? Therefore it is not an arithmetic progression. That's all, no? Did you understand, no? Shall we go to next one? See the 10th one. What is the question? A, 2a, 3a, 4a and so on. This is our question, no? What is this? A1, A2, A3, A4. First what we have to find? D equals to A2 minus A1. What is A2 value? 2a. Minus A1 value A. 2a minus A how much? A. Again find A3 minus A2. A3 value 3a minus A2 value 2a. 3a minus 2a how much? 3 minus 2. 1. A. What we got? Both the values are equal. Since a2 minus a1 equals to a3 minus a2, what we can say? Therefore, it is an arithmetic progression. And what is the d value? D equals to a. And what we have to find next? A5 value. See here, observe here. A1 is a, 2a, 3a, 4a. Next is what? 5a. Or if you want, you write a4 plus d. a4 value how much? 4a plus a. That equals to how much? 5a. Is it necessary to do a6 and a7? No. We can write directly. What is a6 value? 6a. What is a7 value? 1 minute, no? What is a7 value, ma? 7a. That's all, no? Problem is completed. Easy problems, no? But they will give for exam, ma, for 2 marks problems. See the next one. What is the question? A square, a cube, a power 4 and so on. What is our first step? A1, A2, A3, A4. First what we have to do? Find A2 minus A1. What is A2 value? A square minus A1 value A. Shall I take A common here? Then what we will get? A minus 1. Here A 1, here 1A is gone. Another A. Here 1A is gone. Nothing is there. So 1. Now do A3 minus A2. What is A3 value, ma? A cube minus A2 value A square. What we can take common? A square. Take A square common. Then what is the remaining here? 2 are gone. 1 is remaining. A minus A square is already gone. 1. Is they are equal? No. Since A2 minus A1 is not equals to A3 minus A2, then what we can say? It is not, therefore, it is not an arithmetic progression. That's all, no? Easy, no? Shall we go to next one? See the question. What is the next problem, no? Twelfth one, no? Root 2 comma root 8 comma root 18 root 32 and so on. These are the values, no? First what we have to do? Write A1, A2, A3, A4. First step is what, no? Find the value of D. D equals to A2 minus A1. What is A2 value? Root 8 minus A1 value? Root 2. Shall I write 8 as 4 2s are 8? Yes, 4 2s are 8, no? Root 2. Here, root AB can be written as root A into root B, no? Already we know this, no? Here what I got? Root 4 into 2. Shall I write as root 4 into root 2? This root 4 value, how much is this? 2 square into root 2. Square root cancel, 2 root 2, no? Shall I write in the place of root 4 to root 8 equals to 2 root 2? Yes. See, 4 means 2 square ma. So square root cancel, 2 root 2 minus root 2. Shall I take root common? Root 2 common, then 2 minus 1. How much is 2 minus 1? 1. So what is the value of a2 minus a1? Shall I go? I'll get root 2. Next, solve a3 minus a2. a3 value how much? Root 18 minus a2, root 8. 18 means how can I write ma? 9 2s are 18 no? Minus again 4 2s are. Already, what is the 9 value? 3 square. So how much I will get? 3 root 2. In the same method ma, root 9 means 3 square, square root cancel 3. Did you understand? So 3 into root 2 minus here 2 root 2. Shall I take root 2 common? Then what? 3 minus 2. How much is this? 3 minus 2. 1 root 2. What I got? a2 minus a1 root 2. a3 minus a2 root 2. Both are equal no? So shall I write here? Since a2 minus a1 equals to a3 minus a2, therefore what we can say? It is an arithmetic progression. And what is the d value ma? Root 2. After that what we have to find? a5, a6, a7 values no? a5 equals to what? a4 plus d. What is a4 value ma? See here, this is our question no? Already root 8 means how can I write? Root 8 is nothing but 2 root 2. This is 2 root 2. This is root 2. Root 18. Root 18. How I have written? 3 root 2. Observe here. Root 2, 2 root 2, 3 root 2. Means what is this value? 4 root 2. If you want to check it, if I send it inside, for 4s are 16. 16 2s are 32. 4 root 2 no? a4 means what? 4 root 2 plus root 2. So what is the value? 5 root 2. In the same way, how much I will get a6 value? 6 root 2. a7 value how much more? 7 root 2. 5 root 2. If I send 5 inside, 5 5s are 25 into 2 no? How much is this? Root 50. That's all no more. How I got 25? Check here. Root 25. What is root 25? 5 square. 5 5s are 25 no? Square root cancel 5. In the reverse way, in the place of 5, shall I write root 25? In the same manner, in the place of 5, I have written 25. Means multiplication with the same number. Here, 6. If I send inside, 6 6 are 36 into 2. How much is this? 6 2s are 12. 1 3 2s are 6. 72. In the same way, this one, 7 7s are 49 into 2. 49 2s are 9 2s are 18. 4 2s are 8. 98. That's all. Easy no? Problem is completed no now? Shall we go to next one? See the next one. What is the question? 13th one. Root 3, comma, root 6, comma, root 9, comma, root 12. This is our question. See what is our first step? A1, A2, A3, A4. Next what we have to do? A1 equal A1, A2, A3, A4. No? First what D equals to? A2 minus A1. A2 value root 6 minus root 3. Shall I write root 6 as? Here only I am writing. See here. Root 2 into root 3. Why? 6 equals to 2 3s are 6 no? In the place of 6, root 6, root 2 into root 3. Did you understand ma? 2 3s are 6. Root 6 equals to root 2 into root 3 no? In the same way I have written here. See here again root 3. Shall I take root 3 common then? Take root 3 common. Then what is remaining? Root 2 minus 1. Let it be like this only. Now find a3 minus a2. a3 minus a2. What is A3 value? Root 9 minus root 6. How can I write root 9? Root 3 into root 3. Why? 3 3s are 9. Here root 2 into root 3. Shall I take again root 3 common? Then what is the remaining here? Root 3. Here what is the remaining? Root 2. Is the both are equal? No. Since A2 minus A1 is not equals to A3 minus A2, then what we can say? Therefore, it is not an arithmetic progression. Did you understand, ma? That's all. By this, exercise 6.1 is completed. Continuation exercise 6.2 we will do in the next video. Did you understand? If you have any doubt, give in the comment box. I will explain you. If you like my video, press on the like button, share my channel, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.